Hello, fifth graders. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. Today you're only going to be completing one page of your math work packet, and that's page 9. Yesterday we worked on comparing decimals and ordering decimals from least to greatest. So today we're going to take that next step and we're going to practice adding decimals together. So let's go ahead and read the directions. It says rewrite each problem vertically, then solve. So let's look at A. It says rewrite each problem vertically. If you notice, this problem right here is written side to side or horizontally. The directions ask us to write it vertically or up and down. Now the most important thing that I can tell you about adding decimals together is to make sure your decimal points are lined up or stacked on top of each other. So let's go ahead and practice doing that. We have 3.4 and we have 6.7. Now we have 3 and 4/10 and 6 and 7/10. Now if I wrote my other number and I tried to add it together, do you see how my decimal points are not lined up? Can't do that. Oh no, let's get that erased. Hang on just a second. Come on, decimal points. Go away. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to write 3.4 and 6.7 directly on top of each other so the decimal points are lined up. And then I add. I start here. 4 plus 7, that's 11. So I write 1 and I carry a 1. 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. Now, my answer is not 101. Wherever your decimal points are, you have to drop it straight down in order to get the correct answer. So my answer is not 101, it's 10 and 1/10. 10.1. Alright, so here it looks like you have 11 more problems on your worksheet. I'd like you to complete 6 of them. You can pick and choose whichever ones that you would like to do. Make sure that your decimal point is lined up. Okay, decimal point is lined up. One more thing. I'm noticing on letter B and a few other problems that you have a decimal point, 12 and 8/10, plus a whole number. Remember that with whole numbers, your decimal point is located right behind it. Okay, so to set up that problem, it's going to look like this. 12 and 8/10 plus 9. Okay, you can put your decimal point and remember that there's a 0 behind it. So that's how you would set up letter B. Anytime you have a whole number, which it looks like you have one here, here, here. Anytime you have a whole number, remember that the decimal point goes after. Okay, so you're picking 6 more problems to do and solving. Have any questions? Let me know.